Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is Kurumi Cooks. This video shows you how to make foxy kitsune soba. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is soba noodles in a hot broth with a topping. To make the topping, you will need 2 aburage rinsed in hot water and cut into 4 triangles, 150 ml of Japanese stock, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar. First, put the Japanese stock in a pan. Then the soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Bring to the boil. Add the aburage. Simmer over a medium heat for about 8 minutes. Now your aburage is ready. Today I used instant dashi granule for the stock. If you have time, you can make fresh Japanese dashi by following my dashi recipe. Here are the ingredients for the soba and broth. 1.2 liter of Japanese stock. I used 1 teaspoon of granule per 500 ml of water. The aburage you prepared earlier. Four servings of soba. 3.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of mirin. 4 spring onions. Green stems cut into 4 cm lengths, and white parts finely chopped. Put the Japanese stock into a pan. Add the soy sauce and mirin. Bring to the boil and simmer over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Now for the soba noodles. Boil plenty of water in a large pan. Put the soba into the pan and cook for 5 minutes or according to the instructions on the packet. Keep an eye on the pan as soba noodles tend to make the water boil over. As the water comes back to the boil, add a cup of cold water. If the water begins to boil again, turn down the heat to stop it boiling over. When the soba is cooked, drain it through a colander. Rinse the soba well in cold running water. Drain the soba again. Now to assemble the dish. Divide the soba into 4 deep bowls. For the toppings, 2 aburage, a few spring onion stems, pour on a quarter of the broth, Then pile on the chopped spring onions. Itadakimasu. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!